Fox 17 News. Social media websites like Facebook keep you in touch with friends and family, of course, but the stuff you post could hurt you in court. Fox 17's Nick Paranjape shows us how your posts could help a lawyer win their case against you.
He has no home, no car, and nothing really going for him.
Ain't we cute? Perfect couple. That's right, baby.
He is 30 and is a loser now, and so probably always will be a loser.
I love you. Love you too, babe. Cute, cute, cute.
A private investigator and a lawyer reading out loud Facebook posts and how it helped their cases.
It's really unbelievable what people post.
It's why Nashville attorney Mary Frances Parker, who handles divorces and child custody cases, has this advice to a new client.
One of the first things I tell them to do is erase your pages off of MySpace and or Facebook and Twitter.
She learned the hard way when an opposing attorney used a Facebook post against her client in a child custody case.
The father was trying to get custody of their child, and she had been out partying the week before court, and he came in and requested a drug test of my client based on the Facebook evidence that she posted, where it looked like there was smoke in the room, and sure enough, she failed the drug screen for marijuana and lost custody of her child.
Parker quickly turned the tables when one of her clients was recently trying to get her son's father to pay child support. The father told the judge he wasn't employed and couldn't pay it. But on Facebook, he was saying something completely different.
He had just bought a new iPhone. He was talking about going out and test driving the new Mustang because he was going to purchase one of those. He had already priced it, and he had already gotten a discount through his work.
Work, iPhone, new Mustang, busted. Parker's client won the case.
I hear cases all the time involving Facebook.
Judge Philip Smith in Davidson County says a lawyer would do his or her client a disservice if they didn't use Facebook, Twitter, or MySpace as evidence. And he is more than willing to listen.
As long as it is otherwise admissible and relevant, I will consider it.
So what's admissible in court when it comes to using websites like Facebook? Is it true evidence or hearsay? For example, who's to say that I couldn't just hack into someone's Facebook page and type all kinds of lies about them and then use it against that person?
You can establish the validity through friends on that Facebook account or that MySpace account that I have regularly conversed with this person.
The judge is also quick to remind the person on the stand that they're under oath, and if they're lying, they're committing perjury. Doesn't mean that there aren't gray areas here, but proof is still golden in winning a case.
People have let their guard down, and they tend to be more free and open.
Mitch Davis, a private investigator in Nashville, says the evolution of social sites like Facebook have made his job easier.
We actually had a case where an individual was having an extramarital affair. The only problem was that he was posting pictures of himself with his girlfriend hugging each other, and behind the picture of them hugging each other was a picture of him with his family on the wall behind them.
If you've got a cheating spouse, I would say 90% of the time, if they've got one of these accounts, a Twitter, a MySpace, a Facebook account, you can go on there and find evidence. You're gonna find the evidence there.
A general rule of thumb, if you want something to stay private, don't put it on a public page, even if you have privacy settings. Because if someone wants to see your page, they'll find a way. Nick Paranjape, Fox 17 News.
That's a real wake-up call. Mary Frances Parker says some cases involve offensive or damaging pictures of people who were tagged for everyone to see. And don't think something you posted a long time ago can't come back to haunt you. Parker, with the help of computer techs, has pulled up posts from as far back as 5 years ago to use in court.